Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Motorola Moto E40 phone and you need to do a hard reset on it and you are stuck because the lock screen is locked and you don't have the pin. We can actually bypass that pin and erase it, and it will be gone from the phone, but everything else will be wiped off the phone as well. So all your contacts and photos and everything like that, it will be like a new phone. But if you're cool with that, we can get started. It's real easy. What we're going to do on the Motorola is on the right side, we're going to press all four buttons. We have the power button and then the two volume buttons, and then above that there's a fourth button. We're going to have the phone turned off, and then we're going to press and hold all four of those buttons until the phone turns on. And then we're going to release once it turns on, we're going to release the power button and continue to hold the other three for a few seconds, and then the phone will enter this recovery menu. From there, using the volume buttons, we can toggle through this menu, and we want to go to Wipe Data Factory Reset and hit the power button to select it. From there, we'll open this confirmation screen. We're going to toggle down to Factory Data Reset and hit the power button to select that. Keeping in mind that once you hit this button, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off the phone. So if we do that, it will go through a wipe process, and then it will come back to the menu where we can select to reboot it, and the phone will turn off and turn back on the same way it was when it came out of the box originally. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.